Here comes the Tix. Thank you Ripple A, tsaka lahat ng sponsor for the Spider-Man brand new days video screening. That big cheese popcorn. Directors Club tayo par. Yeah. Thank you Ripple A.
We do with you guys. Maraming salamat sa suporta. And this is our way of expressing our gratitude, of course, sa inyong lahat. Muli maraming salamat. And this afternoon, there will be lots of surprises, of course. Ang Spider-Man brand new day. And definitely later on, we'll have raffle prizes for you guys.
Hey.
And may mga mananalo ng mga naka-Spider-Man theme outfit dyan.
To all of our media friends, our Rape and Chill is really just our way of giving back to you guys. You guys who we work with every day, every month, every year. We want to be able to give back just a few hours for you to just relax, chill, have no deadlines to worry about, no PRs, press statements, press releases to worry about. Even no songs or certificates to worry about. Just enjoy the screening with us, and hopefully you have a good time with this very special screening. We also want to thank again our partners who help make this possible. Our clients, Lenovo, Jollibee Group, SM Cares, East West Smart, Jollibee Group, Pinsa, Philinvest, Food Panda, and Maya. So thank you everyone for coming over. Hope you enjoy the show.
Spider-Man.
Spiders there.
Okay, so before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors, SM Cares, Lenovo, Jollibee, Business Bank, Smart Communications, Jollibee Group, Visa, Philinvest Development Corporation, Food Panda, and Maya. So without their generosity, this wouldn't be possible. And so, let's start our raffle by giving